8669. Fuel is discharged toward idling speeds on a float-type carburetor. A. From the idle discharge nozzle. B. In the Venturi. C. Through the idle discharge air bleed. The correct answer is A. Fuel is discharged for idling speeds on a float-type carburetor from the idle discharge nozzle. The idle discharge nozzle is designed to release a small amount of fuel into the airflow when the throttle is in the idle position, ensuring a proper fuel-air mixture for idle operation. 8670. When air passes through the Venturi of a carburetor, what three changes occur? A. Velocity increases, temperature increases, and pressure decreases. B. Velocity decreases, temperature increases, and pressure increases. C. Velocity increases, temperature decreases, and pressure decreases. The correct answer is C. When air passes through the Venturi of a carburetor, three changes occur. The velocity of the air increases, the temperature of the air decreases, and the pressure of the air decreases. This is due to the narrowing of the Venturi, which accelerates the airflow and creates a region of low pressure. 8671. Where is the throttle valve located on a float-type carburetor? A. Between the Venturi and the discharge nozzle. B. After the main discharge nozzle and Venturi. C. After the Venturi and just before the main discharge nozzle. The correct answer is B. The throttle valve regulates the flow of the fuel-air mixture to the engine cylinders. By positioning it after the main discharge nozzle and Venturi, it controls the ratio of the mixture that enters the cylinders. 8672. An aircraft carburetor is equipped with a mixture control in order to prevent the mixture from becoming too A. Lean at high altitudes. B. Rich at high altitudes. C. Rich at high speeds. The correct answer is B. At high altitudes, the air density decreases, resulting in less oxygen available for combustion. If the mixture is too rich, in excess of fuel compared to the available oxygen, it can lead to incomplete combustion and poor engine performance. By adjusting the mixture control, the pilot can regulate the fuel-to-air ratio to maintain the appropriate mixture for optimal engine operation at different altitudes. 8673. Which of the following is not a function of the carburetor Venturi? A. Proportions the fuel-air mixture. B. Regulates the idle system. C. Limits the airflow at full throttle. The correct answer is B. The purpose of the Venturi is to proportion the fuel-air mixture by creating a region of low pressure that draws fuel into the airstream. It also limits the airflow at full throttle to help maintain the proper fuel-to-air ratio. However, regulating the idle system is not a function of the Venturi. The idle system in a carburetor is controlled by separate idle jets and passages.